Are you missing the Audio Video Runtime DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. To start fixing Audio Video Runtime manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This DLL file is the Windows Multimedia Real-Time Runtime library. It allows applications to request priority for time-critical tasks, such as high-fidelity audio playback and video streaming, to prevent stuttering and lag. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as the Audio Video Runtime DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Audio Video Runtime file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for the Audio Video Runtime DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing the audio video runtime and system health. If your workstation is back online and the audio video runtime is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.